Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Coinbase app on your desktop. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the browser app that you use. You can simply choose any browsing app that you use. Now open it, just like this, and then tap onto the search bar and type Coinbase app download, then search for it. Then here you can find the option of download right here. Now open it. Then here you can find the option of install. Simply tap on it. After that, wait for a few minutes and then your app will be downloaded in the desktop. And that's it. This is how you can download the Coinbase app on your laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.